The baby koala on the tree. Once, a baby koala was learning how to climb trees. This is fun, he thought. Soon becoming tired, he climbed the tallest tree and went to sleep. His parents did not want to wake him up and left. After a while, the baby koala woke up. He found that his parents were not there. "Oh no, how will I come down now?" he thought, as he couldn't climb down without help. Suddenly, an old hyena with one eye came and asked slyly, "Can I help you down?" But little koala politely said, "No, thank you." He knew the hyena would eat him up. Just then, a huge group of koala bears came with sticks and stones in their hands. The hyena saw them and ran away. Then baby koala's father came, took him down from the branch and back home.